Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's happening, my people? You feel me? Now you're live and tuned in with Mr. Versace himself.
What's up, man?
Jay Caesar, man. What's good with you, man? What you got going on today?
Well, since some of my day one showed up today, surprised the fuck out of him. But I was like, well, shit, you know what? Luckily, I already had some drinking in this bad boy. You know what I'm saying?
No,
so I'm finna show y'all what kind of drinks I'm gonna make for my day ones right quick. You dig what I'm saying?
You feel me, man? They say, man, that they're already looking good, man. I see that Stella Rosa over there. This that midweek for y'all joker boogers. You see what I'm saying? If you don't want to get drunk, sloppy off of alcohol just yet to the weekend, well, midweek you drink you maybe a burr, or if not a burr, you go straight to the Stella Rosa and Auburn Mist, baby.
See that? I got one whole cup already that I'm gonna put in this bag.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all you're gonna need. One whole cup of that, which is like, that cup there is like a 12 ounce.
Yeah, y'all eyes ain't trippy. Y'all see that gold bottle over there.
They cup like I say like a 12 ounce or something right here.
Yeah, I say about a 12. Look like about a 12.
Yeah, just one of them. Take some of your mixed fruit.
You hear me?
Take some of your mixed fruit. If I can open the bag for y'all, take some of your mixed fruit, strawberries, mangoes, pineapple, blend.
You hear me?
That's what I like, but I got another one there too. I'm
Okay.
gonna use this right here, right now.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
all you gonna need right there, boom. And this right here, my friend,
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
make 2 cups. Well, 2 glasses.
2
Which
glasses.
one you want to drink?
Man, give me the Rosa, man. Give me the Rosa.
All right.
I think the audience want to see the Rosa, man. And brought to you by House of Versace.
Rosa.
You dig?
Rosa.
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 Big bottle, baby. No little bottle. Get you a big bottle, man.
You see it coming up, that means it ain't empty.
You hear me? All the way full. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Big bottle of that Rosa, man. Some mixed blend fruits.
And
Cup of ice.
And then how I mix it, just like it say right there. Split over what? 4. What that is right there? That's 1 liter.
Okay.
Make it up to 1 liter. I always do it like that. That way it ain't too icy. It ain't too icy. It was good.
Yes, sir.
Got baby. Can't use that bad boy.
You hear me?
Next you put your top on, and then you just stir that bad boy until it's finished.
You hear me?
So I'm gonna put it on milkshake.
Voila.
Let it blend pretty good. Then I take it out.
Why? To the lot.
Then we get one of these.
These Sachi glasses. If y'all don't see it, then I saw it. I'm just saying. Sachi glasses in a Sachi dish holder. You hear me? Sachi borderline. Sachi. You see what I'm saying?
Alright. Now, take it and pour it up to the Versace brand.
You dig?
There you
Boom.
go, my nigga.
Voila. Pickering pimping.
You want
Voila.
one, Wayne?
I guess I'll try one.
Sachi Dachi.
Wayne over here in this
Day
guy.
one, what's happening with it, Mr. Richardson? Hey man, look here, man. Plug your barbecue, man. Hey, say, man, this here dude got that beef that you don't need no teeth with right there, man. The whole north side sold up. 1960, see what I'm saying? Hey, man, he gets down with it, man. He gets down with it.
Let me hold on. Let me get mine, and then we're gonna, do a little toss. Then we're gonna go eat something in a little old barbecue. You know what I'm saying?
man.
We already got the sides ready over here.
Yes,
I had
sir.
the sides ready before they got here. You dig what I'm saying?
You hear me?
So, since these here is like, what, probably 4 ounces or something, we
Yeah.
can make about 6 of these
Yeah.
out of this 1 liter.
You hear me? Yeah.
All the way up to the Versace brand.
To the Sachi line up. You hear me? Don't that look delicious? I know y'all see that, right? Don't that look delicioso?
Now,
Yes,
we can
sir.
put this here in the refrigerator.
Yes, sir. In the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator. We don't need to put it in the freezer because you see these little glasses that we have here. They ain't gonna last long, so we're gonna be back in here and get our drink on with some out.
With some
that
out.
big old bottle, the bottle gonna be empty by the time it's over with.
You feel
You know what I'm
me?
saying?
Clue. The Rosa. Yes, sir. The Rosa. Straight from home of Versace. On y'all, dog. Hey, Northside, baby. Much love.